Please tell me, what do you want from me? Hey, this is me reaching out to you, asking you, and I please hope that you're going to fill out the comments with what kind of videos do you want from me? What direction would you like me to see me take? Do you want to see more SEO videos? More bricks? More Elementor? Would you like to see me dabbling with Gutenberg? Ooh, scary stuff. That really did send a chill down my spine. What would you like to see me doing more of? Mainly because I have a list of videos I'm planning to do. I've got loads that are already recorded and scheduled and uploaded into YouTube. But what would you like to see me doing? More site tutorials? Really big ones that are 2-3 hours long? I do hate doing those, I must add though, because they take a hell of a lot of time to record, get right, edit and all of that. But please fill out the comments and I will be listening. Okay, I can't promise anything, but please tell me, what do you want? I may try and consider it and help you out. Don't ask me to sing. I'm not doing any videos more for singing, because believe me, if you see the outtakes for this, you're going to laugh and cry and think, what an idiot. Anyway, look, let me know what you want from me, okay? I'm Imran, Web Squadron. I hope you like, subscribe, share and follow, and start commenting.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat.